What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to change DNS settings on Windows 11. So, you might be wondering how to exactly do so. So, I'll be showing you a step here that I like doing here whenever I want to change my DNS. So, what do we need to do here? So, first things first is you want to go to your search at the very bottom here, and you want to go and type in the following, which is going to be control panel. Now you might be asking, why are we accessing this via our control panel? Well, in this case, it gives you more options and a lot more things that you can change, and in this case I like it doing the classic way. So in here, what we need to do is we need to click on the network and internet option. Now in here, you want to go and choose or select the network and sharing center, and under that section, you want to go ahead and select your current connection. So right now I'm using my Wi-Fi. Let's go and click on Wi-Fi. And from here, let's go ahead and click on the properties option at the bottom left. Now from here, you should be able to see different connections. So since we want to change our DNS settings here, which is by default, we are using IPv4. Let's go and choose Internet Protocol version 4 here. We want to go and click on properties. And in here, you want to go and change a few things. Now, the great thing about this page here is you could also set your own IP address if you want to. But if you want to get it automatically from your Wi-Fi, go and choose obtain an IP address automatically here. But since we want to change our DNS server here, let's go and use the following DNS server address and just enter your DNS server. Now, you could choose or you can, in this case, you could enter whatever DNS server you want to use, or for example, you could use the Google DNS, which is around like 8888, and for alternate DNS, it's going to be 88444 if I'm not mistaken, or 11. So you could go and double check that online. But yeah, so go just enter your details or the DNS server you want to use. Click on OK to save your changes, and from then on, you should be good. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.